Good morning, everybody. Welcome back. We're going to have another unbagging. This is also from tapestrymarket.com. All of these reviews that I'm doing right now are from there because that's where I made my purchase from. I don't have company sending me things right now, and I'm hoping that that will get better so I can bring you new information from them. You know, that would be good. So this piece is a gift for a friend of mine for her birthday. And she also got me one for my birthday because I really love this image. I am not one for the typical Last Supper image because it's just everywhere. But I love this because this is called Jesus Story. And it has a lot of depictions of events in his life. And I just thought it was so beautiful. Just gorgeous. So let's take a look here at this pattern. I'm sorry I have to jump in without too much chit chat. But my phone, like I said, has memory issues. This has 45 colors. It is an 11 count. It is 59 by 44 centimeters. Hoping this camera is focusing well. It seems to be doing pretty well. Now, this is printed smaller than the canvas itself, but as I tried to film this earlier, I do know that the symbols do match, so that is quite helpful. Let's move that aside and get out the other parts. So, we have 5 size 24 needles in this little tube that I like the lid on. The typical brass ring thimble. And the needle threader that I find to be quite easy. And here, if I can get it out of here, is our beautiful canvas. I don't think they offered this in a 14. And as small as it turned out to be, compared to what I thought it would be, it's fine as an 11. It means I can see it. I don't have to wear glasses constantly. Look at how beautiful and clear the print is. There is no problem in this canvas. None at all. The whole thing is just crystal clear. Of course, printing an image that detailed, that size, you're not going to see anything. It's 233 by 168 stitches. So I found that this was just, it was very, very well done. Very pleased with it. So that made me happy. And let me show you the colors. This is again on these thread drops, which you really need a hole punch and one of those big rings to keep these organized. And although I'm glad they put the DMC codes on them, I wish they had put the 1, 2, 3, coding like that. So I go through and I do that manually. This is mostly very beautiful, very neutral colors. The threads look to be very nice. Very nice. We have a lot of browns and grays and tans. But we also have a little bit of this beautiful corally red. I'm not sure which color that red is, and it's going to drive me nuts. So the red is number 760, and this coral color is number 350. So we have 2 reasonably bright, pretty colors, and we have this kind of mustard yellow in there as well, and some blues. I love this beautiful muted teal colors in here. So yeah, I really, really, really think this is going to stitch up beautifully. So I have 2 of these to stitch. I have already checked the other one. It is in perfect and beautiful condition, just as this is. So that makes my life a lot easier. Let's make sure we get this toolkit in there. And good morning, everybody. So we are at the next day, and I'm just filming a goodbye here. Sorry, I had problems again with memory. But I just wanted to let you know, I absolutely love these kits. They're beautiful. I strongly suggest that you would go and check out tapestrymarket.com. It is just wonderful products. Just don't order the 18 count. I think it's impossible to print on something that small and have it look good. Okay? You guys have a wonderful, wonderful weekend. My thoughts and prayers are with all of you as always. God bless you. And I'll see you again very soon.